Hey there, Snapchat users! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of hiding a story in Snapchat. Whether you want to keep certain stories private or remove them from your feed, this full guide will show you how. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on Stories at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Stories section where you can view all the stories from your friends and subscriptions. Step 3. Find the story you want to hide and tap and hold on it. This will bring up a set of options related to the story. Step 4. Among the options, you'll see Hide the creator's name. Tap on it to hide the specific story from your feed. Hiding a story in Snapchat allows you to maintain your privacy and control over the content you see in your feed. If you change your mind and want to unhide a story, don't worry. You can easily do so by following the same steps and selecting the Unhide the Creator's Name option. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.